Hi friends, welcome to my channel, and in today's video, let us understand the difference between a resume and a CV. Whenever a person applies for any job, then he or she may have to send the document which introduces the candidate to the HR. Which one is more suitable, a CV or a resume? It will be very difficult to choose one of them if you don't know about the difference. Many times it may happen that the candidate, without knowing which document to send, they send whatever they have at that time, and this is the biggest mistake most of the candidates do while applying for the job. For this reason, they can even be disqualified for not sending the desired document. The HR may ask resume and you may send the CV, or they may ask a CV, then you might send a resume. So before sending the desired document, we should know what is being asked. So now we will understand the difference between a curriculum vitae and resume. So first let us understand what is CV. CV is an acronym used for curriculum vitae, which is a Latin word that means course of life. That is, a CV is an individual's course of life. A CV is a well-written document which has details about a person's past education, his job experiences, knowledge, skills, competencies, accomplishments, projects and awards, which is everything in detail. So it is a biography of individual's academic background and professional experiences. A CV is not modified according to the job. It remains same for all the job. Usually it is more than 3 to 4 pages, and it is used when applying for an academic position or advanced research or fellowship programs. We should also note that the education is always mentioned at the top of the CV. So now let us understand what is resume. It is a short and brief description about a person's skills and qualifications for a specific job or a position. It is a kind of document which is required at the time of applying for business, government or industrial jobs. It is a snapshot of individual's professional profile. The term resume is a French word which means summary. So it is a summary of person's work life. A resume has only job applicants' relevant qualifications and experiences which is required for a specific job. Whenever you are preparing a resume, then you should always present the latest details first in the resume, and also one should note that the educational qualification should be mentioned after mentioning all the experiences at the top of the resume. So now that we have understood what is resume and what is CV, now let us see some 5 to 6 differences of resume and a CV. So the resume is concise in nature, whereas the CV is descriptive in nature. A resume is having only 1 or 2 pages, whereas a CV is having more than 3 to 4 pages. The resume can be customized as per the job needs, but a CV cannot be customized as per the job. So a resume is suitable for applying job or internships, whereas a CV is suitable only for applying for academic positions and fellowship research. So finally, we can say that a resume focuses on achievements, competencies and skills, whereas a CV focuses on academic background and professional experiences. So friends, that was the brief discussion about difference between a resume and a CV. So if you liked the video, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel to get such more updates in the future. And thanks for watching.